How to delete a REDnote account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your REDnote account. If you no longer want to use REDnote or need to close the account for any reason, I'll guide you through the entire process, so let's get started. First, open the REDnote app or go to the REDnote website in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Now simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And from there, simply click on Settings at the bottom. From here, go to Account Security. From here, simply scroll down until you find an option that says Account Cancellation. Tap on it. Now here, you need to simply enter the verification code that it will send. Simply click on the red thing or the red words which will help you send the verification code. Simply tap on that. Now REDnote will send you a verification code which you need to enter it over here. As you can see, this is the code that REDnote has sent. Simply type it over here, and once that is done, simply click on delete account, and that's it. That's how you can simply delete your REDnote account.